Looking for adventure? Want something for the whole family? Ready for a bird's eye view of the Alaska Rainforest Canopy? The Alaska Canopy and Wildlife Expedition is just the ticket for you and your whole group. This is an adrenaline-packed eco-adventure featuring 8 dual-zip high-wire cables 135 feet above the forest floor. The adventure begins aboard our specialized Mercedes Unimog 4x4 all-terrain vehicle. We'll transport you up a steep rainforest hillside to the Canopy Chalet. Here, your professionally trained guides will outfit you with state-of-the-art safety equipment and provide a detailed safety briefing prior to mounting the first platform. We have the highest safety standards in the industry. While safety comes first on this tour, excitement and adventure are right behind. This is where you'll be instructed on the art of zipping. It's not hard to learn, and after your guides finish with their demonstration, you'll get to practice zipping and braking yourself. The first zip line is a short 175 feet, just a taste of what's to come. The term tree hugger has a new meaning at this height. The zip line experience is exhilarating. There are 8 dual zip lines. The longest line is almost 1,000 feet. The Alaska Canopy Adventure also features 3 suspension bridges. Everything is state-of-the-art. Every tour group is accompanied by at least 2 highly qualified and experienced guides who help every step of the way. You know you're in good hands up here. By the end of this high-wire adventure, even the tree huggers wish there were at least one more platform and one last zip.
Good job. Well, you know, I think it is very exciting, and I didn't realize before that I had a fear of heights, but now I don't have it anymore. I've been flying over the forest at 100 feet above the forest floor. Very cool. Good job, Mark. Excellent job, buddy. Can I do it again?
Yeah! I found it to be a lot more, less scary than I thought and more exciting. And it's for everybody. Anybody, even if you're afraid of heights, I think they'll do it. But it was very, very fun.
It was really fun. You got to do it.
Great.
Great! You guys were great. Bye, thanks.
After completing the last zip line, you'll be presented with a custom-cast Alaska Canopy Adventures medal and have the opportunity to enjoy complimentary snacks, explore the interpretive center, and browse in the general store.